I just can't leave Clara for some dirty herbalist. Even her name is not pleasant to the ear. Clara and I are meant for each other. We love ourselves.
Eche.
Uche.
Who are you talking to?
No one. I was just thinking out loud. I need to have a drink. Let's go to the bar and drink. No one now. I was just thinking out loud.
Oh, well. What is it again? Use the battery or what? Hello? Yes, who am I speaking with? You are speaking with Obonna Madoka. What? Get it? No now, no now.
My husband.
Ha! What is this?
My husband, what is it? Eh? This one that you're shouting.
Do you know that the art job teaching that I applied for in Honorable Dike's school, they have given it to somebody else?
Eh? Hey! Why would they do such a thing? Why? Even when our daughter attends the school? Why? Those people don't have conscience at all. They don't.
Do you know the funny aspect of it? The reason I applied for this job is because I heard they pay very well. I needed something to back my business with. Now look at the end.
My husband, it's okay. God will provide another job. Okay? It's okay. You can no give BP, Bikono.
You don't look happy. Is everything fine?
Yes, everything is fine. Just that I've been stressed lately.
Hope you've been taking your drugs.
What drugs?
But you said you were sick.
Oh, yes, I am. Excuse me. Hello? Yes, I am. What? Okay, thank you. I'll be there first thing in the morning.
What is it?
I've been recommended to teach visual art in Honorable Dike's school.
How come? Why you didn't complete your university level?
Look, I am as confused as you are. I don't know, maybe I'll be there first thing in the morning. I need to go now. I just need to go now. I'm coming.
I'm right here.
You did that for me, right?
I need you to go to Mbafo and spend some quality time with her.
And I guess if I don't do what you want, one way or the other, you'll make them terminate the job, right?
You will have to see her before your meeting tomorrow, so the earlier you see her, the better for you. So if I were you, I would leave now.
Welcome.
Thank you.
What is wrong with you?
No, there's nothing wrong with me. I was just...
Wait. Sit.
Thank you. My name is Echezona.
I was told a lot about you.
You know I was coming?
No. I do not have the power to see or make things happen like the great Iyafo. I'm only but human, blessed with the gift of healing people with my herbs.
Iyafo said we are destined for each other.
Destiny is no matter of chance. It's a matter of choice. It's not a thing to be waited for. It's a thing to be achieved.
You speak with so much wisdom. You live there all alone. I mean, like all your life. How come?
The quote is not for you to compliment me. It is for you to understand. Chances are provided, while choices are made.
So, how do you see me? Do you like me?
Iyafo has provided a chance for us to meet. The choice is ours.
Is she that bad?
Actually, she's not bad. I found her interesting. But my problem here is Clara. I don't want to hurt her.
You will have to hurt her.
What are you saying? Why will I hurt her?
You must hurt her.
So if I want to hurt someone, then it's Clara.
You have to hurt her.
Echezona! Echezona! Echezona!
Good morning.
Keep your morning to yourself.
What happened?
You're asking me.
Wait, are you blind? Can't you see the paintings you sold to me just on black this morning?
Wait, what are you looking at?
Look, see, I've heard you. Maybe it was because of the bad paint I used. Okay, you know what? Just drop it there. I'll get an original one and make another one for you.
Better do.
Or you refund me my money. It's not like I even like.
Bring it. Give me. How can you do something like that?
Now, imagine if everyone that bought your artwork come back to return them.
No, you wouldn't let that happen.
Depending on you.
See, promise me I am going to get this job.
You will get it, and you can still lose it.
Look at this.
You've been like this since you came back from the market yesterday. What is the matter?
Yeah, I'm fine.
I hope it's not because of that stupid boy, Echi.
I said I am fine.
Okay. With Alongoka, I bought you corn.
Thank you.
I'm going to see Mama Nonsu.
Bye-bye.
If you like, keep your face like this. The be rich, nobody will come here and buy anything from you.
How is that my business? If they like, they should not come and buy. Is it my shop? Is it not your shop?
Oh, God! Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you. I got it. Thank you very much. Thank you. Look, see.
Go and celebrate with Mbafo.
Sis, please now. Look. I was about pleading with you to let me go see Clara. Please.
Remember I told you will get the job and you can still lose it.
Why are you threatening me? Please. Look, I miss Clara so much. I've been avoiding her. Okay, you know what? Just let me go see her once. Just this once that share this good news with her, please.
No. You will go to Mbafo. Why don't you make her desirable? Go to her and give her everything that she lacks.
Obim, I will talk to Mazaloze, to allow his last child to come work for you. How do you see it?
It's a nice idea, but he's still a small boy.
Obim, it doesn't matter. It is even better. That way you can put your eyes on him and you can also control him to avoid him becoming like each other.
It's all right. It's okay. Ewo,
Good afternoon.
my princess.
Mommy, good afternoon.
How was school today?
No.
It was fine. Daddy, do you know that Uncle Echezona now works in our school as a teacher?
Onye?
Our principal introduced him today as our new visual art teacher.
What?
Buffalo. I brought. How are you?
I'm fine.
I brought this water for you. I'm good.
Thank you.
And this.
What is this?
Open. Look in here. I have clothes, and I have sponge soap. So why don't you do me a favor? Go clean yourself off. Take your bath, and I'll be here.
In my whole life, I have never been gifted anything by anyone. Thank you very much.
Don't worry, go. I'll be here. I'll wait for you.
I'm excited. I'm coming.
Okay.
This class just said she does not know what to do. Me, I just spend my time to run to her mother's shop. No. I will go and confront Echezona myself. What? No. I will confront him myself.
What are you doing here?
Echezona.
Yes.
I want to see you now.
See what you want to say here.
There. I don't want to say it here. Follow me. What do you want? What do you think you're doing? No, what are you doing here?
What am I doing?
Wait. After sampling my friend in every corner of this community, you want to leave her for this dirty pig?
Look, I will not have you insult my friend. What is wrong with you?
What's going to do? Oh, this is your plan, Ekwa. No, this is your plan. See, see, if you make my friend angry, if you hurt her, you will have me to answer to.
I don't have your time.
Echezuna, oh, you are working out on me. You don't even know me. You don't let that guy get angry. You will know.
What is it? What is chasing you?
If you see what I saw on my way to the farm.
What did you see? Ify, talk to me. What did you see?
You remember that girl that lives at the end of the road, the last hut? The road by Afo River now?
The one that gives herbs?
Yes.
What is that name
Bafo.
Exactly. Is she still alive?
Alive? She's not just alive. She is in Echezuna's life. Yes. I saw them. She helped her to fetch water. Even brought gifts for her.
My own Echezuna. So she's the unknown girl.
You knew about it?
No, never mind. No.
What are you going to do?
Honestly, my friend, I don't know. I'm confused.
But don't worry. We'll know what to do later. Don't think about it. Let me go back to the house.
Thank you.
All right.
Jehovah, hey, holy. He has spiritual backup.
I said it. I knew it.
He possesses a very strong spiritual power. Unless that is taken away, he will keep progressing.
Please, what is the spiritual power that he possesses, and how do we take it away?
A wooden sculpture representing an old forgotten deity.
How do you help us destroy it? You see why I don't like going to all these seers? They will always tell you your problem, but they will never tell you the solution to your problem.
The whole thing is surprising to me. But don't worry. Calm down. At least we now have something to work with.
So what do we do?
We will get the artwork.
How?
Let's get home first. Give everything to me. I'm the master planner.
May the gods be praised for letting my eyes behold this beauty before me.
And may the hands of a giver never lack.
You look beautiful. You are beautiful.
All thanks to you.
I'm offering you 20,000 naira now. In fact, I will even give you more if you do it.
20,000 naira.
Are you in or out?
Why do you like hiding yourself?
Being alone has the power that only few people can handle.
Do you ever like words?
The mouth is designed to speak. And that brings me to asking you, where are you taking me to?
You know, you have a way of making your words last in one memory.
Thank you. But you haven't answered my question.
Okay, we are going to my house. Here for ask that I bring you home.
Okay.
See? Welcome to my home. Oh yeah. Come, sit. Come and sit. I'm sure he must be hanging around somewhere.
You live here alone?
Yes, I do, like you. You know, I lost my parents when I was 10 down. So my uncle took care of me. But he died 3 years ago as well.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay. Look, I have something to tell you. I'm involved with someone else. Are you serious?
Yes.
Oh.
You can eat that one and I'll come tomorrow night to see you, to be with you.
Are you sure about that?
I'm sure.
Very sure?
Okay. I really missed it.
I missed it too. Let me eat this bread. Then after eating, we'll talk. Look, baby, you will not understand. Look, see, I didn't do it intentionally. You know I love you. You are the light of my life. When you climb up there, look at the whole village. There will be nobody as beautiful as you are. Smile now. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Forgive me. Forgive me now. Babe. Baby. Okay. Okay, I'm sorry, okay? We love ourselves so much, and you know, left for me, we would have been married by now, but please understand.
Okay.
You know, we met a few days ago, and I'm attached to you. Look, I like you so much. I like you so much, but just understand, please.
I do. I understand.
Thank you. You know, I'm wondering why EF has not glued my leg, because the EF I know would have done something. All right, wait, I'm coming. I have something to show you.
Okay.
1 minute. No. No. I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
What is the matter?
Yep, he's gone.
Yeah, for gone. How do you mean?
Look, just go home. Just go home. I'll see you in the evening. Uche, come! Look, Uche! What was that for? Uche, where is the sculpture? Which sculpture? Uche, look, stop pretending like you don't know what I'm talking about. Where is it? You hate me because of some sculpture? This is not just some sculpture. And you know it, that's why you took it. Uche, look,
Just get me this. Uche, where is it?
If you're looking for your sculpture, go and ask your boss.
You mean Ogobo?
Yes. I'm actually on my way to your place to let you know that he made an offer to me so I can get it for him.
You did not give it to me, right?
I didn't. And thanks for the punch.
Let's go, please, let's go. Please, let's go, let's go. How can he? You know how important. I am sorry, I'm sorry about it. I'm sorry. Amanda, where's your father? Go call him.
Look at who we have here. Echezona. Why are you fidgeting?
Ogobo, where's the artwork?
What nonsense? What are you talking about?
See, Ogobo, Uche here told me how you tried to bribe him to get you the artwork. Because he refused, you found another way to get it.
Are you high? You had the effrontery to walk into my compound to come and vomit rubbish. Eh?
Stop shouting and give him back his artwork.
Oh, girl, wait, let me talk to a human being. Let me talk to a living soul. You are a non-living thing. That you walk up and down doesn't mean that you're a living thing. You are an ancestor living in a small child shell. So shut up when I'm talking to a living thing. Do you understand me?
Don't shut me up.
Okay, shut down.
See, let me tell you, whatever you are, it's in your household. You don't fit me.
So this place, is it a market square? This place that you are, is it a market square? Now let me tell the both of you. Get out of this place. Because I don't know what you're talking about. Get out of this place and go and look for whatever you're looking for.
But please, my husband, what is going on here?
Look at.
What is the noise all about?
See, Ogobo, it's not over. It's not over. Uche, let's go.
Bia?
Uche, let's go.
Bia? Echezona. You know you have typhoid and malaria. The way you're vibrating now.
Obim, Biko. Did I hear well? Eh? Is the sculpture truly missing?
I don't. That is what they came claiming, you know.
That must be good news.
Who knows who must have taken it? Eh?
You see that Uche?
Eh.
I am suspecting him. Yes, Anyadreyoma. He must have taken it for himself. Let me tell you, you don't know what this generation is capable of.
That boy?
Yes, I am suspecting him.
In fact, you saying this boy has criminal tendency is understatement. Looking at that, that is not a boy, yo. Physically, he's a boy. Inwardly, he's an ancestor. The way I'm looking at that ancestor, that boy must have come from the generation of combined criminals of the past. They have reincarnated to come and continue your oppression.
Yes, you might be.
Look at that boy. Come here to come and talk nonsense.
That Uche is just misleading Echezona.
Echezona, they are telling Echezona follow who no road. He's following that ancestor.
Pim. Imagine.
I hope everything is fine.
My daughter, everything is fine. Don't mind the razzmatazz. It's just a normal thing.
Everything is fine. Oh?
How is your studies going? I hope you're doing well. Let me see what you wrote. Let me read. Obi is a... My daughter is writing Obi is a boy. Eh? Obi is a boy. Your father is a man now, right? My father is a man. Oh, your father is no longer Obi. Oh, Ugu. This is wonderment.
Evie, how far?
I'm fine.
I went to your mother's shop, said you were here, so I came here.
You're welcome, my good friend. I am here.
Why are you smiling like that?
Why would I smile? I am happy. That's why I'm smiling. Hey! Some people think that they are smart. Ify, Eche thinks that he is smart. But I am smarter. Hey! He thinks he can use me and dump me just like that because of that stupid girl. How is that possible? Is that possible?
Have you confronted him about the girl?
Confront him? I have something better, my friend. I am coming. Sit well. smart move.
What is this?
Open it and see for yourself.
An artwork?
No, my dear. It is not just an ordinary artwork. This is the reason Eche has been following that stupid girl.
I don't understand. How?
I'll tell you how. Yesterday, on our way to the market, remember I told you that on my way back, I will branch and see him.
Yes, you said so.
I eventually went to his house to see him. On entering his house...
Oh, why? Why would I do that? I cannot now. What's wrong with you? I cannot. No, no!
Eche? Eche? So when you told me that you saw Eche and that Mwafo girl, it started making sense to me.
This is so unbelievable.
I didn't believe it myself until I went there again this afternoon and I saw this wooden sculpture.
So, what are you planning to do with that?
In Ajokwaju. Burn it, of course.
You will burn it?
Immediately.
Count me out, though.
Ify, don't tell me that you're scared. Scared of this rubbish, this thing.
This thing?
This rubbish, you're afraid. This thing.
If this thing can talk, like you said, I'm not just afraid. I am very, very afraid.
I'll burn it. It's nothing. This is just wood. Ordinary wood. I'll burn it. By the time I'm done with Eche, he will come back to beg me.
My friend, are you really going to burn that?
Yes, I'll burn it. I am not scared of this wood. Once I burn it, all the powers will vanish. I'm not scared.
See, calm down. Calm down and tell me what is happening.
See, that wooden sculpture is a forgotten deity. He said he wants to help me.
That means the deity is a man.
Yes. And he was also the one that helped me to get that job at Honorable DK School without me being qualified.
So, what does he want in return?
He wants me to marry Mbafo.
Mbafo? Which Mbafo?
How many Mbafo do you know?
That dirty girl.
Dude, you just have to stop. Stop this thing. I like that girl.
What are you saying? Has that girl bewitched you or something?
She did not bewitch me. She did not bewitch me. That girl is beautiful. She's smart. You just have to get close.
Hey. Mbafo.
What of my girlfriend?
So, what of Clara?
That is the point here. That is the point. I'm confused. I just don't even know what to do.
Clara, don't burn that thing.
Oh, Diego.
Clara, you will not listen to me now. Don't. Clara, don't burn that thing. Don't burn it. Clara! Clara! Hey. Clara, please don't burn that thing. Stop now.
I think the kerosene is not enough. Let me try this one.
What is it?
I don't know. I can't move my legs.
But I told you will not listen to me. I try and get up.
I can't get up. I can't do anything.
I can't touch you. I don't even know what to do now.
Hey!
Just try.
Hey, whoa!
Try.
At work, I'm sorry for calling you ordinary. Oh, you are not ordinary. Please release me. Oh!
What can I do for you?
Go call my mother. Go call Eche. Call my mother. Call Eche. Oh! Hey! I'm sorry for calling you ordinary. Oh, you are not ordinary. Oh, Mama, I can't move. Mama, I can't move. I can't stand up. I can't stand up. Oh, Mama, I can't stand up. Oh, I can't move. Oh, I can't stand up. Oh, I can't move. Oh, my waist. Oh.
First of all, I need to recover that sculpture from Ogogbo. Then we shall discuss about the 2 women in my life.
So how is Clara taking all this?
She doesn't even know I'm avoiding her.
Honestly, she's not going to take it lightly. Believe me.
What is it? It's Clara. She's acting strange. She cannot move her leg. She tried only one image like a sculpture.
Sculpture! Yes! It is sculpture!
Oh my God.
Ma, massage the waist, massage it. Oh, my waist is about to break. Oh, I can't stand up. I can't stand up.
I'm going to keep my hand.
Hey, my waist, oh, my waist is about to break. Oh, my waist, my waist, my waist.
Hey. Chimo. Batikuya.
Did you make her do that so I would hate her?
She got what she wanted.
But you would have stopped her. You would have done something. You wouldn't have allowed her to pick you.
Stop her? I thought I told you I want her.
Eche, I'm sorry I took the sculpture. Please forgive me.
Look, babe. You know I love you. You know by now we should have gotten married. But it's just that you wanted an elaborate wedding. And you wanted me to buy a car first.
They are all in the past now. I don't want elaborate wedding again. I don't want you to buy a car. I don't want you to buy anything. I don't want anything. I just want you. Please, I love you. Please, just give me another chance. A second chance. That's all I ask. Please.
Someone once told me chances are provided, but choices are made. Look, Clara, I provided you with chances for us to get married, but you have made your choice. I just didn't see it. And this is just making me to realize that we are not destined for each other.
No, my love, please don't say that. We are destined to be together, please.
Please. Look at my friend Uche. Uche is married with 2 kids and we're of the same age. I believe by now you should have gotten someone because...
Please, we can do this. We can make it work. Please, I beg you. Please, don't say that. We are meant to be together. I'm in love with you. We're in love with each other. Please, we can make it work. Please, please, my love.
Look,
please.
Clara.
Please.
I'm in love with another.
My friend, stop worrying yourself. Eh? See, once there is life, there is hope. So stop it.
Ife, you will not understand. I am ashamed of myself. I've lost everything.
Just stop talking. Don't even say anything again. I don't want to hear anything from you again. Don't worry.
They've accepted the small marriage that Eche wanted us to do. Nchowa loud wedding. Big wedding.
You're not wrong. It's your choice, what you want. Eh? Stop to... Excuse me. Hello? I'm fine. How are you? I'm okay. What? You are coming back? Okay. Yes. All right. Yes, I'm happy. Okay, I'll inform my parents and my uncles at once. Yes. Bye. Dozier, he said he's coming back, so prepare for our wedding. I'm getting married.
You're getting married. I'm happy for you.
My friend, don't worry. After mine, yours will come. A better man that will love you more than Eche did. Yes.
After you.
It's the same thing. I'm happy.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
Bafo. So, have you made your choice now?
Mine depends on yours. It's a man that findeth a wife, not the other way around.
So, will you...
Yes. I will marry you.
I love you.
I love you too.
It is not in the stars to hold your destiny, but ourselves. Over time, I've been misused since the days of old. And that is what I came to correct. From the days of old, people call me an evil deity. They call on me when they want to lay curse.
Papa, leave me alone, no. Leave me. I'm not giving you any money. I'm not. I will not give you any money. Papa, leave me alone. Leave me alone. What kind of a father are you? That will not take care of a child. Leave me alone.
Children!
Leave me alone. Papa, leave me alone.
Don't go out with that money.
Which money?
That money you are holding.
I'm not holding it. Did you say any money? The place I dropped that money, you will not see it.
Why? That money is for my meeting, no? I want to use that money for meeting.
Story.
Huh?
Papa, leave me alone.
I used to give you food.
Which food?
Give me the money.
Leave me alone. Look at every time you tell me to. See now, you figured yourself.
Chineke. Chineke.
Now I'll not carry you up.
Iyafo will strike you dead.
Iyafo will not do anything.
Iyafo ebole gebo.
Yeah, he will not do anything. I'm not giving you any money. Better stand up there, oh, Papa.
You will see. Hey. This girl will not kill me.
Or want other people dead. But I am happy. I have proven myself otherwise. I have been able to make something beautiful happen. And that is why anything I give to you, Echezona, will remain permanent. And there is more to come.
Thank you very much. And also thank you.
You're welcome. I am happy I've been able to achieve my aim and to make something like this beautiful happen. I will return to continue my good work. I will always be around. Take this sculpture and make me a dwelling place in your home.
Echezona, Echezona, Yone Kuo, Echezona, Iya for the man, Iya for the man, Echezona, Iya for Maka, Echezona, Yone Kuo, Onasi, Iya for the man, Echezona le. Obodo nini na baya nkiri maka ihe ọ na-alụ maka akara aka ya o nwere ego ihe afọnyere ya o nwere ụba ihe afọnyere ya ihe afọ m na-ekwu okwu ya bụ alụsị obodo fa alụsị na-enye ife ihe afọ dị mma asị m ihe afọ dị mma ọkwa n'ihe afọ dị mma nyere Echezona ego mbute ego ọ na-achọ ihe afọ dị mma ya nyere ya Echezona lee Echezona si ihe ọfa maka alụsị mara mma alụsị eje m ọnụ Echezona si ihe afa maka Echezona le ihe ọ na-ekwu ihe afọ dị mma ihe afọ maka ihe afọ o welu ego si elu ihe afọ o welu ego si elu Echezona wee kpọ ya kedu ife m ga-emelu gị obi wee dị gị mma kedu ife m ga-emelu gị obi wee sọ gị ụsọ ihe afọ wee gwa ya otu ihe ka m chọrọ ka ị mere m ọ bụrụ na ị ga-ekwe ka m lụọ enyi gị nwanyị ọ bụrụ na ị ga-ekwe ka ịlụwa mgbafọle ihe ọgbagba ya ihe aka m chọrọ ka ị mere m otu ihe abụọ mere m ofu emesịa echezona wee jụwa ihe agbawara ya obi agaghị m ekwe ka m lụwa ya agaghị m ekwe ọ bụghị ọchịchị obi m emesịa ihe afọ bilie wee nara ihe o nyere ya akụnụba nke o nyere ya ọ nara ya ụgbọala o nyere ya ọ nara ya emesịa echezona wee bewa akwa ewo ewo gịnị ka m ga-eme welu ụwa unu gbakwute m unu nyere n'ụmụaka o wetie onweghị onye enyemaka echezona wee kweta na ọ ga-alụ gbafọle o wee kweta na ọ ga-alụ ya alụ o wee kwetazienu na ọ ga-alụ ya alụ o wee kwerenu na ọ ga-alụ mgbafọle o wee kweta na ọ ga-alụ ya ihe afọ dị mma ihe afọ amaka unu echizini ya ka ọnụ ihe afọ unu echizini ya bụ mmadụ ọnụ ihe afọ amaka o ihe afọ dị mma ọ naghị emegide mmadụ ihe afọ dị mma ihe afọ amaka o ihe afọ o mechara ya lụwazi mma afọ ihe niile wee gawara ya were ihe niile wee dịla ya mma akụ na ụba ha niile wee lọghachi ụgbọala ya ha niile wee bịa ego ya ha niile wee bịa unu ahụla ihe afọ dị mma unu ahụla ihe afọ amaka ọ bụ ezichi ọ na-asa ekpere o nwere oge ọma echezona wee kwue echezona wee kwetazie ihe afọ dị mma asị m ihe afọ amaka onye ọbụla nwụlewanụ onye ọbụla wee solibenu onye ọbụla nwụlewanụ na ihe afọ dị mmanụ onye ọbụla nwebe aṅụle onye ọbụla aṅụleba na ihe afọ dị mma unu kwere iba echezona ihe ọ na-ekwuo echezona ihe afọ dị mma ihe afọ dị mma echezona ihe afọ amaka echezona ihe ọ na-ekwuo ọ na-asị ihe afọle ihe afọ dị mma echezona le nwa malife ọ na-eme obodo niile na-agba ya nkiri maka ihe ọ na-alụ maka akara aka ya o nwere ego ihe afọ nyere ya o nwere ụba ihe afọ nyere ya ihe afọ m na-ekwu okwu ya bụ alụsị obodo fa alụsị na-enye ya ife ihe afọ dị mma asị m ihe afọ dị mma ọkwa n'ihe afọ dị mma nyere echezona ego mbute ego ọ na-achọ ihe afọ dị mma ya nyere ya echezonale echezona si ihe ọfa maka alụsị alụsị mara mma alụsị eje m ọnụ echezona ihe afọ amaka echezona ihe ọ na-ekwu o ihe afọ dị mma ihe afọ amaka ihe afọ owelu ekosi elu ihe afọ owelu ekosi elu echezona wee kpọ ya kedu ife m ga-emelu ka obi wee dị gị mma kedu ife m ga-emelu ka obi wee sọ gị ụsọ ihe afọ wee gwa ya otu ihe ka m chọrọ ka ị mere m ọ bụrụ na ị ga-ekwe ka m lụọ enyi gị nwaanyị ọ bụrụ na ị ga-ekwe ka ịlụwa mgbafọle ihe afọ gwa ya ihe ka m chọrọ ka ị mere m otu ihe abụọ mere m ofu emesịa echezona wee jụwa ihe agbawara ya obi agaghị m ekwe ka m lụwa ya agaghị m ekwe ọ bụghị ọchịchị obi m emesịa ihe afọ bilie wee nara ihe o nyere ya akụnụba nke o nyere ya ọ nara ya ụgbọala o nyere ya ọ nara ya emesịa echezona wee bewe akwa ewo gịnị ka m ga-eme welu ụwa unu gbakwute m unu nyere m aka o wetie onweghị onye enyemaka echezona wee kweta na ọ ga-alụ gbafọle o wee kweta na ọ ga-alụ ya alụ o wee kwetazienu na ọ ga-alụ ya alụ o wee kwerenu na ọ ga-alụ mgbafọle o wee kweta na ọ ga-alụ ya ihe afọ dị mma ihe afọ amaka unu ejizini ya ka ọnụ ihe afọ unu ejizini ya bụ mmadụ ọnụ ihe afọ amaka o ihe afọ dị mma ọ naghị emegide mmadụ ihe afọ dị mma ihe afọ amaka o ihe afọ o mechara ya lụwazie mma afọ ihe niile wee gawara ya were ihe niile wee dịla ya mma akụ na ụba ha niile wee lọghachi ụgbọala ya ha niile wee bịa ego ya ha niile wee bịa unu ahụla ihe afọ dị mma unu ahụla ihe afọ amaka ọ bụ ezichi ọ na-asa ekpere o nwere obiọma echezona wee kwue echezona wee kwetazie ihe afọ dị mma asị m ihe afọ amaka onye ọbụla nwụlewanụ onye ọbụla wee solibenu onye ọbụla nwụlewanụ na ihe afọ dị mmanụ onye ọbụla nwebe aṅụle onye ọbụla nwụleba na ihe afọ dị mma unu kwere